Joka is a major residential hub of South Kolkata and is well connected to the city with Diamond Harbour Road and James Long Shoroni, the two major arterial roads of South Kolkata. Godrej 7 is located right on Diamond Harbour Road and is just 1.5 kilometers away from the proposed metro station, which will connect the city to the vast metro network. The location has strong social infrastructure in place, starting from reputed schools, colleges, hospitals and social hotspots lying within a radius of 1 to 2 km away from the project. The USP of the project is it brings you 7 avenues to nurture the overall development of your child. Hence, we have named the project Godrej 7. The 7 avenues are Masterclass, CHAMPS training, Daily Assist, Eat Street, 24/7 Medicare, Safety and Security and Easy Connect. In Masterclass category, Godrej 7 has associated with maestros like Pandit Tanmay Bose for percussion, Srimati Shravani Sen for singing, Srimati Tanushri Shankar for creative dance, Sri Shomir Aij for painting and Abacus for enhancing the educational skills of your children. In CHAMPS training category, experts from Professional Management Group PMG will train the residents' children for swimming, table tennis and football. There is a state-of-the-art gymnasium where none other than Mr. Universe 2008, Mr. Shomir Ghosh would coach the residents and their children. Under Eat Street, Godrej 7 offers you Pan-Asian cuisine from chow mein, mouth-watering momos from Wow Momo and a wide variety of snacks and sweets from Haldiram's. Godrej 7 also offers 24/7 Medicare to you and your family through Apollo Pharmacy, clinic and in-house ambulance for any unforeseen emergencies. In Daily Assist, La Concierge will offer concierge help desk serving you for all of your daily needs. There is also Swiss Laundry, Arambagh Food Mart as convenience store and a well-stocked library managed by Just Books. Under Safety and Security, there will be RFID boom barrier, video door phone with every home, 24/7 CCTV surveillance and a vast 1.3 acres of vehicle-free zone. In Easy Connect, Godrej 7 will have golf cart for transportation within the project, AC waiting lounge at the gate, AC shuttle bus services and own Ola Bay for convenience of cab booking. Also additionally, Godrej 7 will have clubhouse area of 16,000 square feet divided into 3 zones. Number 1, social zone comprising of ladies lounge with sit-outs, youth lounge with Wi-Fi, pool table, virtual gaming console, reading lounge with library and kids lounge with play area and creche. Number 2, celebration zones, community hall with pre-function area, sit-outs at club veranda overlooking landscaped gardens. Number 3, creative zone comprising of the Percussion Academy, the Music Academy, the Creative Dance Academy and the Painting Academy. Now we will take you through the master layout plan of the project. The total land parcel is 10.2 acres, out of which 7 towers have been proposed with 894 apartments. The buildings are G+12 and G+14. We have provision for multi-level car parking, open parking and stilt parking. In Godrej 7, homes have been beautifully crafted, keeping you, the residents, in mind. There are 6 configuration sizes: 2 BHK Type 1, 817 square feet, 2 BHK Type 2, 891 square feet, 2.5 BHK Type 1, 1019 square feet, 2.5 BHK Type 2, 1106 square feet, 3 BHK Type 1, 1215 square feet, 3 BHK Type 2, 1356 square feet. We are right now at the 2 BHK Type 2 apartment. The super built up area is 891 square feet and the carpet area is 576 square feet. As we enter into the apartment, the living dining area has attached balcony to enhance ventilation and experience sunrise in the mornings. The common restroom is designed in a way that it is easily accessible from the living dining area as well as bedroom 1. Large windows in each bedroom enhances ventilation and your experience. Also, provision for wardrobe space in bedroom 1 and master bedroom makes more spacious living. Right now we are in the 3 BHK type 2 apartment of super built up area 1356 square feet and carpet area of 880 square feet. As we enter into the apartment, there is a foyer space provided as a separator between the main entrance and living dining, giving a sense of privacy. Spacious living dining having provision for 6-seater dining table, balcony attached to the living dining for enhancing ventilation and experiencing sunset in the evening. The Juliet balcony attached to the master bedroom enhances the ventilation. There is provision for wardrobe space in master bedroom, bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. The kitchen has a utility space for keeping your washing machine. Large windows in each bedroom enhances ventilation and your experience. Some differentiated specifications are wider main door of 1.2 meter as compared against the norm of 1 meter with teak veneer finish, video door phones with every home, AC ledge with grill for AC outdoor unit, grill height of 1.2 meter as compared against the norm of 1 meter, hot and cold water provision at toilet wash basin, multiple AC points in living dining as well as in bedrooms and conduit provisioning in rest bedrooms, ceiling height dado of glazed ceramic tiles in toilets giving premium look,